Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Department Humanity and Science. Our subject name Basic Mathematics, subject code 22103. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Hello students, we have to study today's lecture about the first chapter, that is logarithm. Chapter 1 and unit 1 is there. Our unit name is algebra. So we have to discuss such chapter today. My question is today, what are the logarithm? Just like addition is the inverse of subtraction and multiplication is the inverse of division. That means what? Logarithm is the basic function, which means what? Addition and subtraction are the operations. Multiplication and divisions are operation. That's why we have to introduce the logarithm. Logarithm is what? Logarithm is the inverse of exponent. If f of x is equal to 2 raised to x, then logarithm answer the question for what x will be the following be true. That is x equal to 2 raised to f of x. It is the basic definition here we study, but in detail we have to study the topic logarithm. But in this given example, I introduce first thing, 2 is base, x is index and x is called variable and f of x is called function. I introduce again, f of x is equal to 2 raised to x. Here f of x is called function, 2 is called base and x is called variable. Then we convert this function in a logarithmic form, that goes to x is equal to 2 raised to fx. Logarithm and exponent, these two basic concepts in chapter we have to discuss. What are that? Suppose log. Log is defined for the logarithm. N is any number, a is base of logarithm and x is component. So we convert logarithm in an exponent where base is a remains same, answer x goes to index and n, that number is same. I repeat again, log of n to the base a is equal to x. We convert in an exponent form, the base is same, the answer is x and n is number. Common log is defined, log n to the base e normally is equal to x. We convert, that is log 10 raised to x is equal to n. Natural log is defined by ln. ln n is equal to x. We convert this in a form of n is equal to e raised to x. I repeat this concept again. Normally logarithm and exponent are in an equal part. How we define? N is any natural number, a is base and our answer is x. So we convert base a raised to answer to the number. Common logarithm have base always 10. So log n to the base 10 is equal to x. Then we can write n is equal to 10 raised to x. Natural logarithm ln of n is equal to x. Here base is always e and denoted by ln. So we define n is equal to e raised to x. Normally, what is mean by exact logarithm in this chapter? Logarithm formula or logarithm rule. Logarithm to base 10, we just think about that and study log 10 of x is equal to log x. And natural logarithm log x to the base e is equal to ln x to the base e. In a scientific calculator, they denoted ln and log. If log is there, must remind that 10 is there to the base of logarithm and ln is there, the base is e. Here, they introduce the change of base rule. That is what? Log x to the base a is equal to log x to the base e upon log a to the base e. Or we can convert in a base 10 also. Log x to the base 10, log x to the base a is equal to log x to the base 10 upon log a to the base 10. We detailed study about the definition of exponent. The exponent of a natural numbers say how many times to use the number in a multiplication form. It is written a small number to the right and above the base number. How? Same pattern we take by the example. For example, 2 raised to 4. 4 is called exponent and 2 is called base. So, what are the 2 raised to 4? So, we have know that the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We convert into in the form. So, we derive 16 is answer. Here also they give the second example. 8 raised to cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. I repeat again. Exponents means what? Base is given and index, that is called exponent. So it is the definition of exponent. In this chapter, we must focus about the power function, that is called exponent function also. In a mathematical way, the power function they defined as a y is equal to a raised to x is power function where a is raised to the power of x. A is called power or exponent, and power function means a is multiplied by itself x times, that means y is equal to a into a into a. So it is the multiplication between the same number many times. For example, we discuss 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. We know that. So I expand 2 raised to 3, 2 into 2 into 2 up to 3 only because they given the 3. So answer by calculator it is equal to 8. Let us try. Minus 1 is equal to 1. So I multiply minus 1 into minus 1. It is obviously 1. So we define this way. I repeat again. Power function is defined. Y is equal to a raised to x is the power function where a is raised to power of x and a is called power or exponent. Just we discuss about the exponent here, and that is also called the power. And power function means a is multiplied by itself only in a x times. Means what? Y is equal to a into a to up to how many times they declare. For example, 2 raised to cube is equal to 8. I can write as a 2 into 2 3 times is equal to, obviously by calculating it is 8. Example number 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1. So I split up minus 1 into minus 1. I derive the answer is 1. Always remind that the difference between exponent format and interpretation. Means what? A raised to n is called repeat multiplication. I explain again. Exponent format and interpretation of that format. Means what? If they given a raised to n, we can define repeated multiplication. If g raised to t or 1 plus r raised to t is given, then discrete growth is defined. E raised to rt is given, that means continuous growth is there. Exp in bracket x is given, then power series is the function. This is the mathematical symbols of the power function declare for that. That's what interpretation is called. I repeat again. Exponent format and interpretation about that exponent is what? A raised to n is defined for repeated multiplication. g raised to t or 1 plus r raised to t is defined for discrete growth, e raised to rt is continuous growth, and exp in bracket capital X is called the power series function. Now we discuss about the logarithm function. Logarithm in normally in this chapter defined for the log or ln. We discussed that ln means the base is e and log log for the base 10. What is the mathematical definition of logarithmic function? We discuss now. Any function of the form f of x is equal to log x to the base b. I repeat again, f of x is function is equal to log of x to the base b, where the logarithm of base b is defined as follows, where b greater than 0 means positive number and b not equal to 1. Y is equal to log x to the base b. We convert this log in an exponential form or power function by always remind that base is b, so it goes to base. Answer is y, so it goes to index, and x is number. I repeat again, y is equal to log x to the base b is converted into exponential form, b raised to y is equal to x. So, always remind that the logarithmic function is defined by f of x is equal to log x to the base b, and always b is greater than 0 means it is the positive number always, and b not equal to 1. In a mathematical way, logarithmic function is defined by y is equal to a raised to x is power function we just discussed above. So, we convert the exponent function or power function in a form of log of y to the base a is equal to x, where base is a of logarithm and x, y are called variables. Variables means that we take the values from the number of set. We take the just example discussed here. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 is what we have the format y is equal to a raised to x. So, I put the value of y is equal to 8, x equal to 3 and a is equal to 2 in above expression to derive log y to the base a is equal to x. So, we convert the exponent function or power function in a log. How much? Log y to the base a is equal to x. So, we derive the value of 2 raised to cube is equal to 8 is log it to the base 2 is equal to 3. So, always remind that if y is equal to a raised to x, then log y to the base a is equal to x. In throughout chapter, we discuss about this concept only. Here, some format we have to introduce. How much? If x and y variables are there, so ax use for a raised to x is equal to y. Then reverse function is there, log of y to the base a. That means b raised to x equal to a, that is base, exponent and all these things. Now convert the following power function into logarithmic function. I take the example. Everybody know 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So I want to convert this exponential function in a form of the logarithmic function, that is exponent function to the logarithmic function. We have the format a raised to x equal to y. Therefore, a is equal to 2, y is equal to 16 and x is equal to 4. So, I put all the values derived from the 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So, hence put the values in above expression, that is what? If a raised to x equal to y, then I take the word log. What is the base? A, I write here, and answer is y and is equal to x given number. So, I put the value of x, y and a in this expression. We derive answer is log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 2. Let us try some example for homework. I given that 3 raised to 5 is equal to 729, and second example 5 raised to cube is equal to 125. So, note down these examples.